We are now during the coronavirus lockdown, and as you see, our cookie jar is empty. But our flowers from allotment are full, and we have lots of it. I received the eyepiece. I think this is a Takahashi eyepiece. This is Takahashi LE eyepiece. So let me open and see what is inside. I'm just guessing. Okay, now it seems I'm there. Takahashi makes the best telescopes, or some of the best telescopes. But it seems they have also ordered some eyepieces, or asked some eyepieces to be built for them, or they designed it and asked someone to be in Japan to build it. Now let's just unwrap it. They're very well packed. Okay, they look very well packed, so I'm just trying to open. This is the first eyepiece, and I'll use my hand to open this other eyepiece also. I need both hands. Okay, let me open this one. It's typical of the premium brands to just make a simple non-luxury packaging. Teleview though was the same. So let us see what is this one. This is a Takahashi LE 18mm LE 18mm ocular. Ocular means eyepiece. So what is this one? This is a Takahashi ocular, can I read? 12.5mm ocular. Again LE. So let's open and see. Oh, it comes off really easy. And that's the eyepiece. I heard these are better than the orthoscopics. Because orthoscopic eyepieces, although they are very good, they have an intrinsic narrow field of view. These are better than them. The field of view of the orthoscopic eyepieces is 40 degrees to 42. These are 52 degrees. So quite nice eyepiece. It feels nice in the hand. Right size, light, not very heavy. So better than the Teleview Delos or similar eyepieces in the Teleview range, which are heavy. The eye guard looks quite sturdy. It gives a good protection. The lens is really nice. Let me just... Okay, let me remove the bottom one. Oh, look at the field stuff. Let me turn on the camera flash so you can really see actually. Oh, the field stuff is really good. I can see here. There's a little bit of scratch there, as if they have been trying to open it. Is it because of that, or no? They are normal. There's a reflection from my camera flash. It's not a scratch or anything. Yeah, there's no scratch. They're just a little blacker than the others. Oh, look at the clarity of it. Let me just take it against the light. Oh, absolute delight. Look at the field of view. It's chocolate. As you can see, it's quite lightweight, small. I have several 18mm other than this, which are really bigger than this. So I will test it under the dark sky and see on the telescope just to see how it is. Let's just now open this one. Okay, I'm observing the star 30 low minoris, which forms an asterism similar to a cart with several stars around it. The magnitude 3.25, and And there is a tiny star to the, in the refractor to the right of it, which is magnitude 8. And that's quite faint for this Skywatcher 80, Star Travel 80 F5. What I've noticed is that I have a lineup of 18mm eyepieces. This is a Takahashi LE 18mm. I have here Starguider ED 18mm. I have the Baader Classic Ortho 18mm, and this is Orion Expanse 20mm 66 degrees. Of course these are not 80, this one is 30mm Celestron Ultima series fully multi-coated. And I have here also a Televiewer 40mm plus. In all of these 18mm ones, that is 20mm. I noticed Takahashi and the Classic Ortho are the best. This Starguider, although is good, but around 40% to the edge of the field stop, you can actually see astigmatism. This is not bad as this, but again not very good. Classic Ortho to the edge is quite without any distortion. Image is good, but Takahashi LE is as good as Ortho, but eye relief is better, and I can see that 8 magnitude star all the time with this. It's quite bright actually with this when you look at it. So I have a lineup here and you can see that. I may try to find another 18mm and see how that will look with this. Okay, of all of these 18mm ones, Starguider, Ortho, Takahashi, this is the biggest. This is the Ultra Lightwave LER flat field wide 18mm eyepiece. I have a review of this, and it's quite impressive, chunky eyepiece. It looks premium really in feel. Let me just use this with this. I remove the Takahashi and put this one. Okay, I have now used this Ultra Lightwave flat field LER 18mm eyepiece. I must say Takahashi is better than that, definitely. It has a more eye relief, better eye relief. It's relatively easy on the eye. It's ergonomically beautiful. But that 8 magnitude star I told you, with the Takahashi you can see it easier than this one. In this one it's almost a little bit dodgy. It doesn't I should not use the word dodgy. It's not very easy to bring it to focus. That's what I should say. Autofocus is actually a little more visible than when it is in focus. This is strange. Of course, what I noticed also is that this telescope has a little bit of astigmatism. Toward the left, the 30% to the edge of view, you almost get the little astigmatism. But funny enough, all of this show a little bit of that, except the Takahashi and Ortho, and this one also, Televiewer 40mm plus. So really impressive. So I have a good lineup, and now I can say which one actually is the best. In my opinion now, Takahashi is the top, very close with the Baader Classic Ortho. Then comes this, and this is the least favorable, Starguider. 20mm, not bad, it's just very generic. This is good, this is perfect. I don't know. I'm a little bit upset by Teleview. It produces the best eyepieces, but the price is really high. But I've never seen any fault with this Plusle. So beautiful, 30 uh, low minoris star asterism. I'm observing and comparing this for 18mm eyepiece. Yeah, from all of these eyepieces, the Takahashi and the Butter are lightest. Takahashi really has a good eye relief, beautiful view. I like the look of this better than this, but probably not any of them. I will go for this ones. This is quite expensive. This is quite affordable, so I may just go for this if I want to buy it first time. But that one is really good. Or get a Teleview Plusle if you can find it. So what I want to say is that if you don't choose your eyepieces correctly, and by correctly I don't mean expensive eyepieces, some of the Chinese eyepieces are the best I've seen, cheapest and cheerful. In this range that I have, if I didn't see this one or the Butter Ortho, I will miss that. I would have missed that 8 magnitude star. You would not know that that star exists. Even in the sharpest focus you achieve with this or this or this, you will not see that 8 magnitude star. That's fact. Of course, having said that, this was with this telescope in this weather and sky condition. My eye, of course. As they say, your mileage maybe is different, so make your own choices.